Gas pipeline exploded in Beaver County, Oklahoma, near Midway Church in Derazette, Texas, before 9:45 p.m. Emergency teams from 9 departments controlled the situation by 3 a.m. Gas flow continues, but pipeline lines are closed. Owned by DCP Midstream, the pipeline caused flames reaching 500 feet, damaging high lines and affecting power, now restored by Northwest Electric. Beaver County Emergency Management reports no injuries and minimal damage. The incident was visible on satellite. ABC 7 News will provide ongoing updates on this breaking story.